guys, what's up? It's Pressley and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I am so excited because I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day / little day in the life vlog, and it's going to be so much fun. So before we get on with my day, do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you get notified every time I post a brand new video. And don't forget to go shop my brand new clothing line by clicking the link in the description box down below. So let's go to the kitchen to make breakfast. Okay, so we're in the kitchen and it's time for breakfast. I have my mom here because she's gonna help me because I'm a really bad cook. What should I make for breakfast?
We can make waffles.
We're making waffles! Woo! Okay, so first step is
go to the pantry.
go to the pantry. You will need 2 cups of Heart Smart Bisquick mix and then 1/3 cups of fat-free skim milk. I can't have milk, so we're gonna use almond milk. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and 1 egg. And I obviously can't have eggs, so we have this. It's actually kind of gross. It's an egg replacer. So it's like this powder and you mix it with water. It's really disgusting, but you'll see how it works.
But it tastes fine when you make it.
No, yeah, it tastes normal. It looks like slime, but that's okay. Olive oil? I'm ready.
You should also take this.
Ready to cook! Do you want to supervise? Where are the bowls?
Doesn't know what anything is.
This is good. Oh, there it is. Would you like a waffle? Just so I know how much batter I'm making?
Sure.
Last time I made pancakes, they were raw. I still ate them, but they were raw. But it's not like it.
Wasn't supervised with that.
It's not like it has raw eggs in it though. So like, if you want to see that, go click it because it's. I went vegan for 5 days and I tried to make vegan pancakes. It didn't go too well. Chocolate chips. First thing I ate this morning. So 2 cups. It's not 2 cups. Ta-da! Okay, and 1/3 cup of milk, not that. I'm gonna use almond beverage. It's been shook. Did you know that there's a difference between lactose-free and dairy-free? I did not know that. My favorite chocolate milk is lactose-free, but I was looking in the ingredients and it says it contains milk. So I asked my friend who also can't drink milk, and she says that I don't know if this is right, but she says that take the lactose out of the milk, which the lactose contains most of the protein. So that's why people don't drink it because they drink milk for protein. So last thing is I have to make my egg. Oh, I forgot you have to let it sit for a minute. I probably should have made the egg first. 1 tablespoon of the egg replacer with 2 tablespoons of water. This is disgusting. I'm so sorry. I should have to point that out. This is gross. You're eating this too. I hope you know that. And you know what's so funny? She'll get me vegan cheese and vegan everything, and she'll refuse to try it because she's like, ooh, no, that seems disgusting.
It scares me.
Thanks for the moral support there. Can I start mixing this?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I think it's been a minute. That looks kind of looks like a brain. Listen, I'm not the chef here, but I can tell you that does not look right. Okay. Ew! This literally looks like I'm making slime. I think it's because we're using almond milk.
These are probably gonna be the best waffles you've ever had.
It smells amazing in here.
There's no way this is making 12, by the way.
I just want to eat them at this point. Wow, that looks so good. There's a really good waffle place down the street if these don't turn out good.
You forgot chocolate chips.
Oh. So yummy. Ooh, let's see how they look. Those look so good. All right, round 2, and we're gonna do more chocolate chips this time. And a little more batter. Ooh, chocolatey.
They look good.
Thanks.
Why?
I really wanted to
So many more things to teach you. Oh.
This is why nobody can see me before noon. I am such a mess in the morning. Actually, I'm a mess kind of all the time.
How did you miss your mouth?
Everybody thinks I have my life together. I don't. I really don't. Do you even know how to gritty? Ooh, those don't look as good as other ones. So, who wants waffles? But it didn't make 12. It made half.
Well, you have probably one more in here if you want it.
I want to eat them, so.
Want a baby waffle?
Sure, but I'm gonna try one. Okay, let's just try it plain and simple, no syrup, no nothing. Going right in the middle where all the chocolate chips are. It's kind of falling apart. Well, that looks gross, but let's try it. It's actually pretty good. Mommy, wanna try? I like them.
They're good.
10 out of 10 recommend Pressley's waffles. I forget how much I like waffles until I eat them. Oh wait, there's one more thing I wanted. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
When we were in Hawaii, I literally had pineapple juice at every meal. And it was so good. It was my first time having pineapple juice. So we're gonna try this Trader Joe's pineapple juice and see if it's as good as Hawaii pineapple juice. And I don't think it will be. It's good. Doesn't taste as fresh, but it's good. So this is definitely not like a healthy meal, but like,
Probably not.
it's always good to treat yourself. I think a lot of people think because like I'm a dancer and whatever, I eat healthy like literally all the time. That's really not the truth. I had Chick-fil-A last night. Like I don't. But I mean, I usually eat pretty healthy, but it's not like,
don't deprive yourself.
yeah, I don't deprive myself of like the stuff I want. This was very good.
What are we making next?
I want an acai bowl.
Oh, after you eat your waffles.
Later. I'm gonna finish my breakfast. We're gonna finish our breakfast because
I'm gonna finish cleaning up.
And we'll see you in a little bit. Hey guys, so it's later. I just got out of the nail salon because I had to get my like gel polish taken off. So they're like just regular now because I'm going to an Essie event tonight and I think I'm gonna get my nails done there. So that's why I didn't get my nails done, but it's around like almost 3 o'clock. So I'm gonna go get an acai bowl from like one of my favorite acai bowl places. Can't see it, but it's right over there. And yeah, I'm so excited. Yes, yes, yes. I'm so excited. I'm getting an acai bowl, Mom is getting an acai bowl, and Tali's getting empanadas from an acai bowl place. Don't know how that makes sense. Can I have the honey almond granola? And then strawberries and blueberries, please. Okay guys, so I'm at an event right now. This is my little fit. I'm at an Essie event. It's so cute. Let me just show you what it looks like. Literally adorable. It's on the beach and it's so cute and it's so nice out. But I'm eating tater tots. I figured I'd let you guys know. They're really good. So this is my little snack. They have a lot of good food, so I might go get something else in a minute. I also got a water, box water. Hey guys, so it is later. We're at dinner now and we're at one of my favorite restaurants called Eureka. And they have one of my all-time favorite sandwiches. So that's obviously what I got. It's called the Napa chicken sandwich and it has chicken, bacon, arugula, and pesto on it. And I got it with fries. It's so good. And I'm really excited. All right, guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I definitely had so much fun bringing you guys along with me for all my meals and just like a fun little vlog. And if you enjoyed, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you get notified every time I post a brand new video. And don't forget to go follow all my social media platforms. I'll put them right here on the screen. And do not forget to go click the link in the description box down below to go shop my clothing line. Thank you so much for watching. Always remember to stay sweet. See you next time. Bye. Mwah.